This is the IRWIN VISE-GRIP's 8-inch wire strippers. These are some of my favorite wire strippers. Why, you ask? I really have never had this upper portion when I'm trying to strip back a wire ever hang on me. It's always gone through and it's always been quite clean, not taking too much or even any copper. It's reliably given me some of the best kind of removal of jackets for wires that I've ever had. One of the coolest things about it is it goes from 22 and 20 gauge wire all the way up to 10, and then it has this whole crimping section down here. And the handles on this guy, they're slightly grippy, so if you're constantly doing wires, you're stripping one wire then another, and you're going back and forth, these guys are very comfortable. I've had days where I've had to use this off and on constantly, and my hands never got weary because of this. This thing worked amazingly well, and I was always happy to use it. So if you're in the market for a pair of solid wire strippers, these things are fantastic. I highly recommend them.